sun is coming up. It's 55 degrees. That means it is time to spray. I've got one coat of primer on, and I'll give you a quick look. I've already masked off the top of the kayak, getting ready to spray platinum on the bottom. It's pretty nice and smooth. I have sanded it with 220, gone over with a tack rag, and I am ready to spray some platinum. So let's get to it. The instructions say 1 coat a day, and I want to do 3 coats of each color. So I'll do 3 coats on the bottom, that'll be 3 days. I'll flip it over, do 3 coats on the top, and then at the end of each day I bring it into the warm garage to make sure it doesn't get below 50 degrees. And then I will do the last black detail work with a brush. I'll brush that on. So let's spray. Alright, one nice thin coat of platinum. She's already looking pretty. You know, once you get the paint on, you start to see every little imperfection. And if I were going for showroom quality, well, first of all, I wouldn't be spraying outside. And secondly, I would go back, like here, for instance. I'd go back there, I'd sand that up and put a little body filler in there. But you know what? It's the bottom of a kayak, which is going to get beat up. And so I want it to look pretty today, but I know it's not going to be showroom quality ever, so that's fine. Not what I'm going for. One, Well, you find me back. You find me back out here with the chickens out in the old garage, the unheated garage. Now that the kayak is all painted, I am ready to put the hardware back on. So let's get to it.